Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy YouTube channel. Today we're back in the Hyundai Kona and we're going to go for a little POV drive. It's nice and early in the morning, as you can probably see. There's not many people about, so I thought it'd be a good time to do it. I've already tried to film this video once, but I managed to make it too long and my editing software removed half of it because the file size was too big. So that's the joys of filming in 4K and 60 frames per second, but I thought I'd give it another go, keep a bit of better eye on the time, and yeah, I think just give it another go really. So you may have seen it or not on the channel. This is my courtesy vehicle. It's a 1 litre 120 horsepower Hyundai Kona. It's sort of a horrendous green colour, but it's really growing on me actually, and it's quite a cool little vehicle to have. So yeah, so I'm just going to take it for a quick spin now. It's got a 3-cylinder, like I said, a 3-cylinder 1 litre engine, which is quite noisy, but in terms of overall comfort and control, this car's brilliant. It's doing not very much to the gallon at the moment. If we average fuel economy 15.7, that's just because I've literally reset it. Total average fuel economy is 29, which isn't the best, but the problem is with these engines that you do need to thrash them a bit to get them to do anything, so that's probably the cause of that. There's a few nice bits of tech. If we turn on the lane departure technology here, yeah, there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how this car almost drives itself really, which is quite cool. It's the first car I ever had with this sort of thing on it, and yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of get up to speed. Let's see if it's going to... It's not really tracking the lane properly at the moment. There we go. So now if I I'm going to track the lane properly. I think it's sort of 40 miles an hour plus. And now if I take my hands off the wheel, you'll see that the car gets a bit confused when there's an off-road, or it seems to be speeds over 40 miles an hour that it does it. So we'll go on to a bit of a faster road. But yeah, essentially what this car will do is steer you around the corners and keep you in the lane, which is quite nice, especially if you set the cruise control. There's very little effort required to drive it. I'll just put my foot down now so you can hear what it sounds like. As you can see, the speed is building up quite nicely, which isn't too bad at all. But yeah, take a left at this roundabout, and hopefully on the bypass here we can test out the lane departure. I'm sure we might even be able to do an overtake. No, there's a car coming, so we'll get into lane, set our cruise control. I've got it on. There we go. Truck's letting me overtake him, but I'm not that worried. So as you can see, we've got a bend coming up, and I'm going to let the car steer. Obviously I'm going to keep my hands somewhere nearby, because we're still building a trustful relationship in this car, but hopefully you'll be able to see how the car steers. So as you can see, I've got my hands off the wheel, and the car is going to steer us round the bend, which as you can see it's doing it, which is really freaky, and now it's telling me to keep my hands on the wheel. But yeah, so I noticed this because I was driving along and it felt like the car was moving about a bit. We're sort of about 70 miles an hour, and I was thinking, well, this is a bit rubbish if the car is wobbling about. and I'm getting feedback through the steering wheel that's pushing me all over the place, then it can't be a very good car. But in actual fact, what's happening is the lane assist is coming on, which is then resulting in it feeling weird, giving me feedback through the steering wheel. So it's quite a cool little system. This car's also got hill descent control, which I showed in yesterday's video. So it's quite a nice, well-equipped car. We've got Bluetooth audio and everything on here. We've also got Android Auto as well, which is quite good. I might do a separate video on that just to show you guys how to connect your phones to it if you're looking to get one of these, or if you're a regular subscriber of the channel, you know that the E87 unfortunately won't be returning, but sort of making the most of the bad situation by getting as much content out on a different car. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It was just a quick little POV drive, sort of out of town onto a 60-mile-an-hour road and then back into town again. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this car. To be honest, I'm quite taken with it. It's really grown on me. So yeah, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one. Cheers.